Hello traders. Today is the 30th of January 2011, and a happy Sunday to you all. This video is about reversal trading strategy. Okay, this video is to show you what is happening with the USD yen currency pair, the dollar yen currency pair. We know that if the dollar yen currency pair is going down, okay, the Dow Jones or the S&P 500 has a high probability to go up, and vice versa. If the USD yen or the dollar yen currency pair is going up, okay, the market has a high probability to go the other way, which is down. Okay, the dollar yen currency pair is now at a very critical levels that we need to pay attention to carefully. Beginning of this year, we did a video that we show you about a very powerful reversal candlestick pattern. This is the 30-day, 30 days, okay, 30 days, a monthly chart of the USD yen currency pair, and the pattern that we have highlighted for you, which you can perfectly watch again on our YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/George Trio. Okay, the pattern is one down, one up, one down, and one up. Okay, so this candle was down, the following candle was up, the third candle was down, and the fourth candle must be up. Okay, and the condition is that the third candle must not violate, okay, the low of the second candle. That's the condition, very important, that you must follow. The third candle must not violate the low of or the closing price, the low or the opening price of the second candle. So we are paying attention to the second candle, and right here the third candle did not violate the low or the opening price of the second candle right there. We were expecting the USD yen this month of January to be bullish. It's not perfectly bullish, but it's not bearish either, because the price did close above the opening price of January. Tomorrow is the last day for January. We will watch carefully this candle tomorrow. If the USD yen has a chance to turn around here, we will know tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a very deciding day. But as always, Monday is a very messy trading day. As we said it to you before, when the market tries to readjust itself or prepare itself for the beginning of the new week. So you see the market usually does not trend on Monday. You do what we call consolidation, up and down. But tomorrow is a very important day. We will watch carefully this USD yen currency pair. If the day is closed bullish, okay, that will give us confidence, okay, to enter our bullish trend. But for us that are using the TSTW the TSTW SYS 08 or the TSTW SYS 008, we got the unfair advantage to know exactly when we should enter the trade. Okay, but those who do not use the TSTW SYS 08 or 008 has to satisfy themselves to find exactly when and which time frame they should use to enter the trend. But we are at a very critical point. One down, one up, one down, one up is up, but not perfectly bullish. We will watch tomorrow carefully regarding this USD yen currency pair. This is the 30 days. This is not the normal historic monthly chart. This is a 30 days, 30 days of monthly chart of the USD yen currency pair, which we watch. Down here we have the standard MACD, the 12.26.9 MACD. Okay, I will quickly show you the normal monthly chart that most traders are looking at. Is coming up. This is it. So one down. Okay, you see here, this is the normal monthly chart that many traders are looking at. One down, one up, one down, okay, and one up. Or see, you see now it's very clear here on this chart. The pattern is completed almost. Tomorrow will be a deciding day. The market may play a hide and seek game tomorrow, which means they try to push this currency pair down. We will watch it carefully. The important is to have the month of January being bullish. As soon as tomorrow is closed bullish and this candle remain bullish, okay, this one here, the month of January, we will look for opportunity to buy using the TSTWSY S08 or 008 to enter perfectly our trade, placing our stop loss at the low of this bullish candle here. So for those who are not using the TSTW24 or TSTWSY08 or 008, the point you need to pay attention to is the low of this candle here that I put my cursor on. The low is exactly at 8095. 8095. The best place to place your stop loss is either 20 pip or 10 pip below the low of this candle, which will be in the region of 80. Okay, using 20 pip below will be 8075. Okay, so if you buy at this level now at 8211, your stop loss must be in the region of 8075 or 8075 will be the better option, which means 20 pip below the low of this month of January low. So 8075, even a little bit below. Okay, 8065 will be excellent place to be, but it depends on your risk tolerance and what you are trying to do. Using the TSTWSY08 or TSTWSY008 will give you the unfair advantage to know exactly when it is time to enter or not, instead of gambling or playing your own game. Okay, so looking also on this normal monthly chart, not the 30 days. Okay, we can see clearly, observing that the price and the market itself, we can see that the price was in a downtrend here, displaying lower lows and lower highs. Okay, lower lows, lower high. At this point in time, this low and this low here, they were perfectly almost equal low. Is telling us something. There is a change in this point in time, but the market was pushed down again to display a new lower low on this normal monthly chart. And the price, we have the pattern of reversal, one down, one up, one down, one up. Tomorrow, we are watching tomorrow, which is likely. Watching the market, there's a clear bullish divergence. This is not on the 5-minute chart, this is not on the 50-minute chart, this is not on the daily chart, this is on the monthly chart. A clear divergence, market going horizontal, okay, in this zone here. Okay, and the price, I hope you can see it on your chart. Okay, and the price is going down, is bullish right now. Okay, we are very, very, very bullish towards the USD yen. The only thing that will mess up this bullish sentiment is the economy news coming from the United States, the unemployment claim. These are very important things we need to watch out. The market sentiment. Okay, any bad news can spoil this bullish sentiment right now. So do not try to force your intention on the market. Pay attention to the economy news. Go to our website www.stochastic-market.com. Okay, and pay attention to the news. Know what time the news is about to come. Tomorrow is a very important day. As I said, the market is ready to bring this currency pair to the upside. But if the Fed decided to keep the dollar going down, which we call the currency war between China and United States and the rest of the world, if they want the dollar to continue going down, they may come up with some crazy news to force the market not to buy but to sell. So be aware of that. But whichever way, whatever is going on, the TSTWSY08 and the TSTWSY008 will participate in the direction of the trend, whatever is happening. Okay, that's the advantage of using the TSTWSY08 and 008. Also, this is regarding the dollar, the USD yen currency pair. On this chart here, I have also the exponential moving average 2. We know that the exponential moving average 1 is the price itself. Then the nearest indicator to the price is the exponential moving average 2, which is the nearest to the price, and the third one is the exponential moving average 3, and so on and so on. Okay, so this is exponential moving 2 is combining two candles together, giving us a smooth pattern of the price. What I'm going to show you now, pay attention very carefully because we are moving a bit fast now. I'm going to switch back to the 4 days, okay, 4 days, okay, chart of the USD yen currency pair. This is the 4-day chart of the USD yen currency pair, and on this chart I have again the exponential moving average 2, the nearest indicator to the price itself, which is the exponential moving average 1, the price itself, the number 1 indicator. You have to remember that in the past, many traders were not using the candlestick pattern. They were not using the candlestick chart. They were using the line chart, which I have here. So the exponential moving average 2 right here represent the line chart, a bit smoother line chart for us because it's combining 2 candles. Okay, I hope you can follow what I'm trying to say very, very fast because I don't want the video to be too long. If we are using, for instance, this line chart instead of looking at the candlestick, because the line chart sometimes can give you clear indication what's going on. If you fail to understand what the candlestick is telling you, using this line chart, we can perfectly draw a trend line here. Bear with me, please. We can draw a trend line here from this point, this angle here. We join it with this one here, and we prolong it there. You can see that the price right here, I'm going to put the spotlight there for you, arrow there. You can see that the line, the exponential moving average 2 is exactly touching the trend line here. Even though if you look at the candlestick, it looks bearish, but remember we are on a 4 days chart, not the daily chart, the 4 days. Okay, it's a 4 day. My software allow me to do all this, which give me total freedom to use any time frame that I want to use, whether I want to use 75 minutes or 80 minutes or 88 minutes or any crazy other time frame. That's why I can use the 4 days chart. If your software allow you, do that and you'll see exactly that. So we can see that the line touch it here and then touch it here. As soon as we have this point and this point, we can draw a trend line here, and this is the first time that this white line is touching our trend line here. Tomorrow is a very interesting day for the USD yen currency pair. We will see whether the market will be honest and to respond as it's supposed to, or they will do a hide and seek game, pushing the price down to buy at the lowest price, okay, only to fool people. Or if the Fed will decide to push the dollar down more, that will make everything kaput completely, spoiling this beautiful setup. But like I said to you, this is a technical analysis. We will pay attention. We will pay attention to the fundamental, not to just jump into conclusion and closing our eye. That's why I say always keep your eyes open and use the TSTW trading system like a professional traders. Okay, so this is it regarding the USD yen currency pair. Going back now to the hourly chart of this currency pair, we can see clearly that last week there was a big boom here, and everything now they bring it back down. Sometimes the smart money want to buy exactly very cheap. When we are bullish towards the USD yen, we are perfectly bearish towards the Dow Jones, bearish towards the S&P 500, bearish towards the Nasdaq, bearish towards stocks, because we are bullish towards the USD yen currency pair, because they are going in the opposite. Sometimes they may go perfectly. Last Friday there was some crazy things that happened. The euro was going down, the USD yen also was going down, but these things happen sometimes. But be aware that there is a hide and seek game going on in this market, and all the bad news will definitely push the dollar down more. So we will see whether the market will respond and accept the dollar. The USD will be prepared to push the USD yen currency pair to the upside. We will be watching carefully tomorrow, Monday, what the market will do. The perfect scenario is for this currency pair to gap up this night and to continue the movement nicely to the upside. That remains to be seen, but the market will always, as always, Monday morning, pay attention at 2 a.m. Eastern time, when New York is, when Frankfurt is about to open. There is always some dodgy games going on when the market will go in the opposite direction. Watch it out. 2 a.m. Eastern time, or 7 a.m. London time, or 8 a.m. Frankfurt time. Okay, watch it carefully where the market, sometimes somebody coming, they push the price all the time in the opposite direction. I don't know who are these people, how they are trading. They do always the opposite thing that the market is supposed to do, but we are aware of it. So this is how you will approach this currency pair. So we are bearish towards the Dow Jones, bearish towards the S&P 500, bearish towards all the stock, okay, and bullish towards the USD CHF, okay, the dollar Swiss franc currency pair. We are bullish towards it. We are bullish towards the dollar Swiss franc currency pair. It does not mean that the price will definitely do exactly what we expected. We will keep our eyes wide open, using the TSTW24, the TSTW SYS08, the TSTW SYS008 like a professional trader. Do not force your intention on the price, but follow the price, the #1 indicator, in order to cream this market consistently. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTW SYS 008 traders. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.